Welcome to the Maldives, a tropical paradise located in the Indian Ocean. With over 1,000 remote islands, the Maldives is an unparalleled destination in its natural beauty. The Maldives is renowned for its perfect white sandy beaches and deep blue, clear seawater. These islands are often a sight that's only found in dreams. The activities in the Maldives are endless. You can relax on the beach, snorkel to explore the incredible coral reefs, or test your surfing skills on calm waves. One of the unforgettable experiences in the Maldives is a journey on a traditional boat called dhoni. It's the perfect way to explore the blue canals and remote islands. If you're interested in marine life, the Maldives is a paradise for divers and snorkeling enthusiasts. Diverse coral reefs and colorful fish make this experience unforgettable. The Maldives also offers a rich cultural experience. You can taste local dishes like salted fish and coconut rice and participate in unique traditional ceremonies. When night falls in the Maldives, the experience transforms into a magical atmosphere. The glow of overwater bungalows and a starry night sky are unforgettable sights. The Maldives is an extraordinary destination. It captivates travelers with its stunning natural beauty, rich culture, and unforgettable luxury. Thank you for exploring the Maldives with us. We hope this video has provided insight into the beauty and wonders you can find in this tropical paradise. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video so that others can experience the beauty of the Maldives too. Thank you, and happy exploring.